Hey class, Brother Dixon here, working on a Saturday project, and I thought I would show you maybe a little real-world application of how you can use some of this algebra we've been learning. I know a lot of times people say, hey, when would I ever use algebra? Well, here's an example. So, I'm trying to build some shelves in my basement. I know my overall height that I want it to be. I know I want to do 3 shelves. And I'm going to use 2x4s, and the width of those 2x4s are actually 3.5 inches. And I want to know what this distance needs to be to make them all equally spaced. So I can set up an algebra problem for this. The way I'll set this up is I know my total length needs to be 74. Right? That's my 74 inches here. Now I have 3 boards at 3.5 inches. So that's going to be 3 times 3.5. And then I know I have 3 gaps there. We're going to call these x, okay? Because we don't know what that's supposed to be. But I need to know what those are supposed to be. So then I'm going to say 3 plus 3 times x. And now we have ourselves just a good old algebra problem. I'm going to solve for x, and that's going to tell me what my gap needs to be. All right, now here we go. Worked the problem out, found out what my gap needs to be, 21.17. Now, in this application, I'm probably just going to do 21, and so probably what's going to happen is this one's going to be 21, this one's going to be 21, this one's going to be like 21.25, and that's fine. A quarter of an inch difference on that top one is not a big deal. If any of you have worked with wood or measuring and stuff, obviously figuring out 0.17 might be hard, considering tape measures are usually in eighths or sixteenths. So anyways, but I just wanted to show this to you, how you can actually use math in a real life situation. And the reason I wanted to kind of show you this is because I know I probably could have figured that out by just kind of guessing and checking, and really this distance doesn't have to be perfectly equal. So as I'm building these, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I just thought, that was like a quick and easy way. Now I know roughly what I want my gap to be, and that was just with a little bit of algebra. I did that in a matter of 2 minutes.